Hey guys, we're back again. A rainy spring day, so we're stuck inside. We're going to be doing a mini golf challenge throughout our house. We got hole number 1 ready to go, right, Cam? Yep, it's going to be, what's the name of it? The Lost Book Challenge. We're going to see who can make the shot first. We're going to be using our books over here on the floor. We're also going to be using our bed and ramp for hole number 1. The Lost Book Challenge. So we'll show you the setup and we'll see who can make it first. Ready? Let's go. Alright, so we got our supplies together for hole number 1, the Lost Book Challenge. We're going to be going off the bed, down the dog ramp, and into the hole down here. Cam, where are we going to put the hole? Right there? Alright, set it up. First, your golf ball.
We can go wherever we want. Like here if you want to. So I wanted to do it here.
Going from that first step. Oh, got stuck. Ooh. Those 2 books.
I think so.
Down goes. Ooh, stuck. Ooh. Oh, so close. Yep. I'm gonna miss. Well, I missed to the left last time, so I'm gonna try and go. I'll start over on the right. Maybe it'll go to the middle. Oh, stuck on the ramp. Should I get to tap it again? Lost.
How long is it?
Starting on the right. I'll go down the middle. Stuck there again. Hit it harder.
Lost. In the middle.
Lost again. Gonna have to hit it harder now.
I think so.
Oh, so close. Ooh,
Oh!
almost missed.
Besides, that means you have to get out with your club.
Okay. Step back. Alright. Ready? Right in the middle again.
No!
Winner! Dad wins. Alright, we just completed hole number 1, the Lost Book Challenge. I won. I made it first. There's my ball down there in the hole. I have to break it apart to get it out. The hands are too big to get in there. There it is. Winning golf ball. Alright, on to hole number 2, yeah? Alright, we'll see you at hole number 2. Where's it going to be at?
In
Down the stairs?
person.
Carter's room?
Not downstairs.
Okay, see you at hole number 2. Hole number 2, we decided to skip Carter's room and go to the bathroom because, well, number 2, right? So we have our books, our hole, and we're ready to get it set up. Ready to go? Hole number 2, bathroom challenge.
Yep.
Go ahead. Ooh, not hard enough. Let's crack into the hole. Ooh, hole in 1 on the first shot. 2-0, Dad.
Until
PB&J Uncrustable. There it is! Lunch on Camden. Alright guys, we had to modify hole number 3 a little bit. It was a little difficult coming all the way down the stairs, off the wall, and then into the hole, so we had to shorten it up. And guess who won again? Dad won. 3-0, going to last hole, hole number 4. Alright, we moved over to the living room to finish off our mini golf challenge with hole number 4. Dad's winning 3-0, but lunch is on the line for hole number 4. Camden's going to get to go first. Whoever makes this first, the loser has to make them lunch. So we've got a sandwich and PB&J Uncrustable on the line. All you have to do is hit the ball up the Hot Wheels track, let it roll back down and into the hole. So Camden gets to go first. If he makes it, I gotta make him lunch.
You're not gonna make it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Winner! You gotta make it lunch!
Alright, Camden lost the mini golf challenge, so he's got to make Dad lunch. He's got his Uncrustable he's gonna serve me. Open it up. Pop it. Slide it on over. Yummy. Winner's lunch. Now he's got to make his own lunch over there. He's gonna make himself.
It's big.
Alright, YouTube, thanks for checking us out again. Hope you enjoyed our mini golf challenge. Hit like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Give us comments. All good, Cam? Yep. See you next time.